Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change complete sign up button text in BuddyPress register form in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in registration form and we are going to change text for complete sign up button. Now go to WordPress dashboard. So we are in WordPress dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. So click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see complete sign up. So you can add your button text and then you can add your replacement text. Now you see we added reserve or support now. So you can add text according to requirement. Now go to form page again. Now you see complete sign up button all capital. So we are going to find out actual format. Right click on it and then click on inspect. So we are in inspect element and then you see value of complete sign up. So this is our actual format. So you can use this format in custom code. Now you see complete sign up. So we are using this value in custom code. Now back to code. Now in custom code you see we added same value of pattern complete sign up. So you can add your text here and then you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to form page again. So this is our register form. Refresh the page and then you see button text change reserve or support now. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.